Welcome back to Australian Immigration Updates. Join our WhatsApp group for the latest immigration news and updates. The link is given in the description. Today, we're focusing on Australia visa changes and 12 updates in November 2024. So let's get started. 1. Skills in Demand Visa. Updated Occupation List. The updated Skills in Demand Visa is set to launch with a new occupation list by year-end. This program will focus on specialist, core, and essential skills, prioritizing high-demand roles from agriculture to microbiology, childcare, and customer service management. While this opens doors for many professionals, employer sponsorship for those on the confident list may be limited. Stay tuned to see if your field qualifies. 2. Student Visa Allocations for 2025. The government's 2025 student visa allocations bring funding shifts, while smaller universities gain larger ones, especially in Sydney and Melbourne, see funding reductions. These numbers hint at the ease or difficulty of enrollment at certain institutions, so understanding this can help you plan your application strategy. 3 to 482 visa changes. A major update to the 482 visa is coming, as the government plans to introduce a skills in demand visa in its place by year-end. To avoid potential delays, it's wise for sponsors and applicants to act now by submitting nominations and visa applications before November, as applications filed earlier will be processed under current standards. 4. ASGO transitioning to OCA in December. Australia will adopt its own occupation classification system, the OCA, distinct from New Zealand's ASDO. While we're yet to see how this change will affect occupational assessments and skill classifications, it signals a more customized approach for skilled migration applicants. 5. Working Holiday Maker Visa Ballot for High-Demand Countries. Beginning October 1, 2024, high-demand countries, including China, India, and Vietnam, will use a ballot system for the Working Holiday Maker Visa. The ballot provides a fair and transparent process for allocating limited spots. If selected, applicants must apply for their first visa from outside Australia. 6. Family and partner visa changes. If you're reuniting with loved ones in Australia, the good news is that processing times for family and partner visas are expected to improve. However, new screening measures mean applicants must provide solid documentation to prove relationship authenticity. Think photos, records of joint finances, and personal correspondence. 7. Business opportunities with the 491 visa. Entrepreneurs have new opportunities under the 491 visa, with Tasmania and Queensland offering paths to residency for small business owners. In Queensland, applicants can qualify by running a business outside of Southeast Queensland for at least 2 years, while Tasmania requires 12 months of operation. 8. New pathways to permanent residency. Australia is creating more efficient pathways to permanent residency. Skilled workers in high-demand sectors, especially in regional areas, and recent graduates in vital fields will benefit from these streamlined processes. 9. Visa Refusal Process Update. Starting October 2024, the Administrative Review Tribunal will handle appeals, improving processing speed and efficiency for denied visas. A surge in bridging visas reflects the increased appeals by former students, with recent data showing a significant rise in cases. 10. Migration and Mobility Partnership with India. Australia's partnership with India offers 3,000 spots for Indian citizens to live and work in high-demand fields for up to 2 years. This initiative will be available starting November 2024, adding a valuable pathway for qualified Indian professionals. 11. Updates to Subclass 400 visa. The Subclass 400 visa now has new restrictions to prevent its misuse as an alternative to the 482 visa. Holders can stay up to 3 months, but may only return once within 12 months, aligning with Australia's long-term employment policies. 12. Visa Crackdown Impact on Universities. Australia's visa restrictions under Ministerial Instruction 107 have impacted the higher education sector, leading to 60,000 fewer visas issued. This directive, aimed at managing immigration risk, is projected to have a billion-dollar impact on the economy and academic institutions. Thanks for tuning in. Share your thoughts on these changes in the comments, and don't forget to like,